Interview with Grandma.
I'm gone, go away.
What are you making?
What? Pizza.
What kind of pizza?
Pizza. Knock it off.
Where were you born?
What? I know you're gonna erase that.
Where were you born? Answer the question.
I don't remember.
You don't remember.
I was too little. I have no knowledge. You better quit, okay?
Annoy Grandma time.
I know you ain't putting that on nothing.
Nope. What you doing?
You want anything, you better behave.
I don't want pizza.
I'm not talking about the food. I'm talking about anything.
Like
Drink, money, anything.
I got my own money. Actually, no, I don't.
Well, I have no money.
Say hi.
Hi. Say bye. Bye. Bye, Molly.
Nope, don't buy. Why? But it's fun.
Very, very camera shy.
Will it take your soul?
Yeah. Stop. Let me see. You ain't. Let me see. You need. Really, don't you put that on nothing. I'll kill you. I kill you.
Put what on nothing?
Silence! I kill you!
Put what on nothing?
Yeah, anything. She's in here going crazy with this camera.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna beat your ass.
He just laid down on the floor. Scrubby, are you a human? Look what that elephant's doing. Sticking his
Oh my God.
trunk up the other elephant's butt. Ooh.
Don't let it look like a good snack.
That is nasty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
He's digging up in there. Oh.
That is so nasty.
Why are you sitting in the chair like a human? Really? Is that all you have to say? Why are you talking to me? Stop sniffing my camera. I got your fur. I got your hair.
Yeah, now go wash your hands. Don't touch nothing in the kitchen.
Whatever, Grandma.